Yo, what's up, guys? Kind of feels strange streaming on a Monday again, but when I opened up the charts and saw we were down 1,000+ points on the Nasdaq, I felt like it was appropriate to come on the live stream and at least watch the markets for a little while here this morning. The Nas, I don't know if I'm going to take a trade today. It's looking pretty volatile. So we'll see what happens. I'll be patient. I'm watching that 21,100 level early. If we hold that, I'm thinking 21,200 would be a good spot to maybe get active, but we'll see if 100 holds. Morning, Fletcher. Morning, Abu. Mr. Fox. Dave. Wind Moon. Oh, man. Let me zoom out here a little bit and see what we got going on. Actually, let's go to the hour chart. Yikes. That's a pretty nice gap we got up here, huh? Holy. This looks like a good area for long targets if you're thinking a little bit of a retracement, but I want to see what happens at 21,100 first. We can hold that 21.1. I'm thinking 21.2 is inevitable. We do have interest higher over here on the DOM, so, but we also have these blocks down here below. It looks like between 20,001 or 21K and 20,900. So we'll see if it wants to clean up some of this below first before we do anything drastic. We are within, remember guys, if you're trading Top Step, there is the 5% within 2% of the breaker on the NAS. I'm not sure exactly where that's at. So anything below 21K, I won't be trading Top Step. I'm not sure about the rules on My Fund of Future. So if any of you guys know what the rules are with MFFU, let me know. Anything below 21K, I'm probably not going to take a trade today. So we'll keep that in mind as we progress. So how we feeling? How was the weekend? Dave, don't say anything about your cheaters, your Chiefs. No offense, but I'm sick of seeing them win every single year. Sick of it. Kind of getting that Patriots vibe. Morning, Phoenix. Yeah, Dave, don't say a word. Just, it's like, come on, man. Why can't my team ever in my entire life get there? They can't ever get there. If we can hold this 21K 100 on the open, I'll probably try along. I'm not going to give it a lot of room though. The slides have been nasty. I'm expecting some volatility here on the opening bell, so I don't know. Trade ES. ES is every bit as much volatile right now, Abu. I'm looking at the ES charts over on my other screen, and they are not looking anywhere near as good. Let's see what the YM's doing. Actually, it might be a YM day. I'll keep an eye on the YM today, actually. It's looking a little bit better than both the ES and the NQ. But I kind of want to watch the NQ. The NQ is kind of wild right now, so. Well, it looks like we held that 100. for now. Or trying to hold the 100 for now. Markets are open. All right. Let's see if we hold 100 here. Looks like that hold of 100 was the play. All right, so 21,200. If we can get back above 21,200 and hold above, I'm thinking more upside. We do have VWAP at 240 roughly. Well, I called the trade, just didn't take it. That was way too quick. All right, we're above 21.2. Holy, it's gone. It is gone. There. How do you hop on that? Yeah, Dave, I mean, you're playing with fire there, brother. Are you kidding me? 3-second chart? Yeah, you know. Dave, don't tell me there was any skill involved there. Don't even tell me that. Holy. Yeah, I mean, come on. I mean, don't get me wrong, I had the read, but how do you hop on there? I mean, that's almost 200 points in 2 minutes. I mean, that's 161 points. Bottom to top right now. In 2 minutes. All right, let's see what happens here at 200. I'd like to see it come back here to 180 and then reclaim. That would be ideal. Oh my goodness, guys. Are you actively trading this? Dave, you were down 1,200 and took that trade right there. Are you kidding me? Guys, Dave is standing at the end of the rainbow today, apparently. Oh no, Savvy, you recovering from the weekend? Oh, I'm glad you had a good time. Dave? Dave, stop with the key levels. Nims, tell him. Dave, I like how last week you were saying I'm trading YM. I can't do the NAS anymore. And here you are on the open with all this volatility, clicking buttons on the NAS. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Dave. Dave, if you want to hop on voice, I can bring you on if you want to. Let me know. I'll just have to change a few settings. Yeah, just go into the waiting room and I'll pull you in and I'll see if we can get this thing going. I want to hear how much you're slamming buttons. Just give me a second. Let me change some settings around real quick. I'm not going to be trading right now anyway. I'm not going to place any trades. Give me a second, Dave. Dave, are you there? All right. Yeah, I can hear you. Give me 1 second. Like I have to change the OBS settings here to see if we can get you on. Brother, brother, that trade was ridiculous. Are you kidding me? You clicking buttons. Don't you? Yeah, the stream can't hear you. Let me see. I don't know why. You're crazy. Why are you hopping on that trade right there? All right, keep talking. Oh, they can't. No, it's on my end. I'm gonna get you. Just give me a second. I just gotta add a new application audio source. Really? You want to do all that? Yeah, give me once. We would have to I'd have to talk to Mason because we'd have to give you access to the channel. Do you see what I'm saying? Because you have to set up a live stream, and on your end you would have to download OBS and do all that in order to stream. I'm fine with the live stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I've just been working on Tuesdays and Thursdays on other content. You're still, it's still crazy. It's still crazy. Why is it not showing up here? I don't understand. Like the source for where we're talking, Dave, is not showing up. Sorry, Nims. Don't worry about it. I can't figure out how to get him on. Let's try something else here. We're all the way up at 21,300 right now. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I wasn't touching anything to do with that. I don't understand. Sorry, chat. I can't. I'm trying to figure out how to get him on here, but it's the source for Discord is not showing up in my OBS anywhere. See if this works. Dave, say something for me. No, nothing. Yeah, I don't quite understand why. And Nim says I don't need you on, Dave. I don't. Move this. Go here. Yeah, I don't know why it's not picking up the Discord settings. Anywhere on my OBS. No. Here we go. Say something.
Hello?
Yeah, we should be good. We should be good. Chat, can you hear Dave? Let me know. Let me know, Nims. Nims, you're more than welcome to join us if you want. Yo, Martin, what's up?
Hey, Martin.
All right, we're good to go, Dave. We are good to go. They can hear you, so you can say hello.
Hello, trade. Or hello, stream. I'm just excited about that trade because logically it made perfect sense to take. On the
Nims, if you want to join us and give Dave the business for trading, for hopping on a trade and making $1,300, feel free.
It did make sense if you looked at it.
Yeah, brother, that's okay. All right, like, I get it. I get it. Okay, I said prior to market open, yes, I want to see a hold of 21,100, but you couldn't even blink before that thing was at 21,150, Dave. And it was at 21,200 before you could cough after blinking. So don't tell me that there was skill involved and that the trade made sense and it was logical to take.
Well, so here's what I will say. Because the prior candle on the 5-minute right before the open dipped down into that, I know you love this word, fair value gap.
Oh, geez.
And then came back up pretty much into the middle of the range. And then that open showed red down. That wasn't going to last. It's, you know, the first move is always the fake out move. And so when it moved up, I was like, in fact, I wanted to get in at 30, and I got in at 53. But I had zero drawdown on that trade. Zero drawdown. In fact, I got out way too early.
I believe it. I believe it. It was straight up. I mean, that was 200 points in less than 2 minutes.
Let's all, before I get too excited and pat myself on the back, I was already down $100, so it's that trade I needed just to get back.
Yeah. Oh, it's just even more of a reason to not take that trade, Dave. That could have wrecked you for the entire day.
That was total gambling. I completely admit that. Although when you look back on this structure, 100%.
It's wild.
Why?
Why? Yeah, just clicking buttons. You were bouncing up and down on that wooden chair, just anxious to hit that button. Yeah, I saw that little clip from our stream where I almost lost my mind and was like, I'll throw my vulnerability out the window and just put out some content of me raging nearly.
That was so good.
Oh, I bet. What was funny was it was taking off. I was like, oh, this might be the key to success here on YouTube, is just raging. But it kind of plateaued. Stopped gaining traction.
On the Discord, Wes, is a great discussion this morning. When you look at, okay, what are the factors that are causing this? Like the whole DeepSeek thing, AI, and this is going to cause, how is it a threat to NVIDIA? Well, it's a threat because if you can do it with a gaming GPU, you don't need a data center farm to do AI. If that's the case, that's the threat of it. Not that NVIDIA won't sell chips; they're not going to sell them like they thought they would.
Yeah.
If this is true, it'll be amazing.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't think
exactly.
NVIDIA is going anywhere. So like,
no, 100% not. It's just they're not going to make the money they thought they would if this is true. No.
Well, it's over. Their figures are overinflated anyway.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is the beautiful thing about technology advancements. Just humans moving forward. I mean, I put into the Discord because I worked. I was in Boston in the late '80s and the '90s, and I worked. And I remember Digital. I don't know if anybody on this stream knows about Digital, a computing company, because it wouldn't surprise me if nobody did.
I've never heard of it.
Bingo. Or Yang Computers, or Wang Computers, I should say. I said Yang. It's Wang. It's WANG. You won't hear of them. They were all mainframes. Digital was mainframe. Ken Olsen, their CEO, in 1977 said, "Why would anybody want a personal computer in their home?" That's why you don't hear of them today. So these companies spend all this time building these moats around to fortify their castles or to fortify their business, and somebody invents the airplane and goes right over it. So that's a beautiful thing about this. But look up Digital and you'll see. And it's a true story when I said they used to fly just low-level engineers, like third or fourth year guys that were in the company, via helicopter from their Boston offices back and forth to the New Hampshire, just for meetings, for like an hour meeting. So the way. Yeah, so I'm not saying NVIDIA is going to go the way of Digital, but nobody thought Digital would go the way of Digital. So
Yeah.
It'll repeat itself.
Yeah, Martin. Yeah, it's kind of that scenario in my eyes. I mean, who knows what's going to happen? But let's face it, technology is not going, like, we're just going to advance. It's not going to just say, "Oh, let's go back to the Stone Age," and I think
Moore's law is only limited by our imagination.
Oh, for sure. For sure.
So, but yeah, Martin's right. It's like, and I think that was that Krugman? I mean, the guy won a Nobel Prize in economics for saying that. It's just like, how is that's crazy? That's stupid.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. We missed the long of the century.
I didn't.
Well, kinda. I mean, you could have a massive day going on right now. I mean,
that was a 200-point banger so far.
I mean, it held 100 perfectly. Now I almost, in order to hop on this move at this point, I need to see it come back to 21,200 if I want the long. Otherwise,
yeah, I agree.
Yeah, Martin, we did miss the short of the century. Otherwise, this thing's gonna come up into what, 550, somewhere around there.
I posted what I thought would happen in the Discord earlier today, especially on the 1 hour chart. I thought if it can get above 250 and hold, it's going right back up to 532.
Yeah, so it's right around there. I mean, we're eyeing the same levels.
Yeah. You know, I do that with you because your levels are amazing. I've started to learn off of that. I just got to work on my execution, my entry.
Me too. Clearly. Me too. Yes, I can spot where there should be, what's up, Palmetto?
Hey, Paul.
We moving? Yeah, we moving.
I took a $1,300 trade off the open. I'll tell you how long it lasted.
No, Palm, it's not. He was, clicking buttons, so I was like, Dave, if you want to hop on, come on. You can hop in too, Palm, if you want to join this chatter. I don't know that I'm going to be trading. I'll be honest with you. I don't know that I'm going to place a trade, so might as well talk to people.
I'm going to click a button here soon. I got in at 9:30 and 28 seconds and got out at 9:31 and 29 seconds. So it was a 1 minute trade for $1,320. Unbelievable. Which saved my ass, by the way, like you said. Otherwise, that was a wrecking ball with where I was.
Doesn't matter. Luck's been on your side all weekend, dude. I don't even want to hear anything. Stupid Chiefs.
You know, I gotta listen. Again, I'm a Chiefs fan. I know Goose gave me some crap for some of the things I post that are. But as a Chiefs fan, I got to be honest. I mean, listen. That catch was not a catch, and it led to a touchdown. That's just crazy.
Oh, it's absurd. It's absurd. It's absurd. Just like when the Chiefs were down on the goal line and they had to throw the defensive holding and give them an automatic first down because Patrick Mahomes got hit. It's like, come on, bro. Come on.
We watched the game last night, and my wife was the one who said it. She was like, you know, if I'm the Eagles, I'm really looking at that refereeing crew and having some questions.
Oh, it's bad. It's so bad. It's so bad. If you watch the Chiefs' right tackle, like don't even watch the rest of the players, just watch the right tackle, Jawan Taylor. You want to talk about the biggest cheater I have ever seen on a football field.
Here's the thing, in Kansas City, we've been saying that for 3 years and saying they've got to change that out. We've been saying that, so.
Man, the guy is just, I don't know how he still has a job. It's unbelievable. He gets away with so much crap.
You can't tell me there aren't better tackles around, even on practice squads.
Oh, it's bad. It's bad. Last night he ripped a guy's helmet off and they didn't get called. I was like, what is going on? I'm dragging Palm in right now, Dave.
Okay, and honestly, Kelsey should have got
good morning
for taunting, to be honest.
Morning, Palm.
Hey, Paul.
Sorry about your cancellation of your was it a 10K?
In Charleston?
Yeah,
it was the half marathon, but it's fine. At first that got canceled, then the flights got canceled. It's a wrap.
Yeah, I talked to my brother over the weekend. He said he hadn't worked since like Tuesday, and he lives there in Charleston. So,
wow.
Yeah, because apparently everything was iced over. But of course, by the time it was like Saturday afternoon or like Sunday morning, almost everything had melted. So,
yeah, because I'm sure it got up to 60 degrees. Because
it was like 45,
it's Charleston.
Yeah.
It's Charleston, exactly.
Dave, we're actually supposed to be 60 here this weekend.
We're going to get to 50 something. So yeah, amazing. If
Nims, you can join us. Just go into the waiting room. I already said this.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to take any trades today either. We're moving.
Yeah, the only look I saw, Palm, was the hold of 21,100, but it happened so fast and right off the open, and I'm not Dave where I just like, hey, click a button and go. You know? Yeah. I need to see I need to see a second test. I can't just all right, I'm dragging Nims in, so get ready, be prepared for the crying.
I wish I know that trade now.
All right, Nims, you're in.
Yeah. What's up, dude? Trading with the boys on Monday. Let's go.
I mean, I can't really talk because I'm eating, but like I feel left out, so I'm just gonna sit here and eat.
Oh my gosh! All that crying to tell us you're eating and you can't really talk. Yeah. My God!
All right, carry on, guys. Carry on.
Get this level.
Carry on.
We were just talking
I
about the
would've
weather.
loved the pay line breakout was like beautiful today, like absolutely beautiful. But I can't take that. We moved
Oh.
from like opening range was 50 points, which is insane on its own, and
Right.
then top to bottom in the first the first 2 minutes, 160 points, like pretty aggressive.
Yeah, it's not safe. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
Dave.
So I'm probably. Oh, I didn't see that. Good morning, Albu. What's up? I don't know. Probably no trades for me. I might just sit here and watch for a little bit and then carry on.
Well, at this point, like if you're looking at the NAS, you either need to pull back into 200 to see if it holds as support, or you need this thing up around like 550 for a short, 540
Or
to
just hit the buy
560.
button. Just hit the buy button.
No, Dave, that's not what we're preaching here. My
I wonder what the
God.
Russell's doing today.
Well,
look.
at least it didn't hit the. If you're trading top step, it didn't hit that trigger. So.
Oh yeah, the 2% thing.
Yeah.
Well, the YM doesn't look so bad. Actually,
Oh,
yes, it
God,
does.
The Russell's ripping too.
Yeah.
Actually, the Russell's like not that. The Nasdaq's the one that's just, like the most in the trenches right now.
Yeah.
I think. I mean, the Russell's positive. Boys, it might be time to switch our product.
People have been saying that for months now.
Yeah, that's true.
It's so erratic. Of course, the minute we change it, it comes back to normal. Yeah.
Define normal, Dave.
I don't know. I've not done this very long, so I don't know.
Define normal.
What's wrong with the YM?
Nothing's wrong with the YM.
You said it didn't look good.
I didn't say that.
Oh, okay. All right. It's an interesting level for the YM. I thought you said let's have a look at the YM, and you said it doesn't look good.
I didn't say that at all.
No, I think I heard that.
All right, did I say that, chat? Did I say the YM doesn't look good?
No.
I don't know.
Wes said the YM was the ugly sister.
No, I didn't say that either.
Oh. That was an exact quote.
Wow.
I'm looking at it right now. It doesn't look nearly as bad as the NAS.
No, it looks fine.
But it did pump.
I mean, yeah, no, I mean that 44k buy. Oh
Yeah.
No, but that was my buy level. I just was at the gym. I just didn't even think that this would be happening.
Oh wait, he said the Russell didn't look good? I swear I heard YM.
Yeah, I had YM too.
I mean, if you guys heard I said it, then I said it. I guess. I don't know.
I'm sure you guys already talked about this, but Dave, how you feeling after that win?
Oh my gosh,
we talked a little
dude.
bit about it. I think that the Taylor Swift effect is real.
Okay.
Martin, apparently I'm losing it. I don't recall saying.
Paul, we did talk about it. I mean, I'm a Chiefs fan, and I can't defend some of these calls. That call, the one that they said was a catch, where they were both contesting it, and it clear that the ball hit the ground, and then Leaks touchdown. I'm like, oh my gosh, guys, come on.
That's the only one I have a problem with, honestly. I think losing that game, I think, was more on Josh Allen. Like, he had a bad game, just straight up. He was not playing at like top form. And then two, the Bills defensive coordinator, like, did that dude get lost on the way to the game?
He must have.
Mahomes had wide open targets was insane.
I mean, it was ridiculous. I agree with that.
Right.
I think that Allen just psyched himself up too much, and he was not letting the game come to him. I mean, if you watch now, here's the one thing about Mahomes. If you watch Mahomes, that game is so slow to him now. You can just watch it, and you can see Allen just running around frantically. It's like, dude, just chill out.
Yeah, I mean, Allen was getting blitzed like crazy too, though.
I tell you, Spags, that man.
Yeah, but even with all that, Dave, Dalton Kincaid should have caught that ball.
I agree.
Oh yeah.
He's made catches like that before too. That one just slipped away.
So I'm trying to find out what happened to join the conversation. So I Googled it. I Googled the Chiefs. And the first news article is what Taylor Swift said to Travis Kelce after the Kansas City Chiefs reached the Super Bowl.
Yeah, that kind of like sums it up, honestly.
Do we
It does.
do we have news?
Yeah, home sales.
There was 10, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I was just wondering why the spreads widened.
yeah.
157 points of range on the ES, huh?
Yeah, I know. Albu recommended I go trade the ES. I looked at the ES chart and I'm like, that's every bit as volatile as the NAS right now. What are we talking about here?
The Russell had a nice breakout of opening range, retested mid, and then rocketed off from it, which is a pretty nice setup. Let's see what the ES did.
Palm's still trying to sell the Russell to anyone which will listen. No
I mean,
sales
Goose
yet.
started trading it.
No sales yet.
No, Goose started trading it.
Oh, okay. All right. Congratulations on your first sale of the Russell.
Goose trades everything.
The ES was
You
the same
guys
as the Nasdaq, it's just ripped.
You guys are sick of Taylor Swift. Think about living in Kansas City and having to watch that all the time.
Oh, I can only imagine. I'm sure she's sick of herself. Or at least
I was watching it at my friend's house, and my friend's mom was just flaming her. It was like, oh, look at Taylor Swift. She's always so surprised that everyone's paying attention to her. Damn.
I mean, she's probably sick of the media coverage as well. She's just trying to hang out with her boyfriend, probably hang out with her boyfriend's family, but
yeah.
By the way, I took a short there, 323.75 down to 306.50, and I'm out.
Oh my lord.
Wes,
yes, sir.
That was $345.
Nice, good job.
you know, if you have like a girlfriend or whatever, normally you hang out with them when they're not at work.
Right.
She's like literally going to work when he cannot see her because he's busy, just to get attention.
I think she just wants to watch the football game,
Yeah, I'm
bro.
pretty sure she just wants to watch her man play. I mean, the rest of the world does.
I mean, he had to buy a house here in Kansas City that had its own private gate. This some lawyer here, big time lawyer, Casey.
Didn't he build the majority of the house below ground?
I don't know about that.
I'm fairly certain he did. I'm fairly certain he built down rather than up.
Are we talking about Taylor Swift? Fletcher? Yeah. That's how bad the market is.
Absolutely, we are.
I know. Trading stream, and we're talking about Taylor Swift.
You know, I think I'm going to rename an order block a Taylor Swift block. Then maybe that's what.
Oh,
That's what I'll do.
nice. Good. So, anyways, go Eagles.
I
Big
agree.
Eagles fan. Been an Eagles fan
Wow.
since day one. I mean,
Yep.
never a doubt.
Yeah. How can you be an Eagles fan when they beat the Patriots?
I'm an Eagles fan.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I dated a girl from Philly like 10 years ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Was she in the UK?
I met her when I was working in New York, and then she
nice.
came to. Were chatting loads, and then she came to the UK and Europe for work,
Wow.
and we dated for a while. Yeah. Yeah.
We talk about Taylor Swift, and people just leave the stream.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Down to 9.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
Everybody was like, "Yeah, we're out."
Sorry.
Took a
I
trade.
didn't mean to nuke the engagement.
Yeah. That's so funny.
That's pretty good.
Quick,
Come
start
on.
throwing as many trades as possible on.
Should've
I mean,
hit
that's
him
they're already gone.
back.
They're already gone, Palm.
We
Good
need to
hell
all
that
just start spamming the chat so the engagement comes up.
Let's
I'm trying a short on the YM.
see. Ooh.
Yeah, I don't really know.
Phoenix was like, I'm almost gone. I was almost gone. Nobody wants to hear about Taylor Swift.
Dude, I'm thinking about a long here.
Yep, me too. Reclaim 280 and I'll probably be long.
Stop scaring me.
I'm not taking
Here
any
it comes.
trades today.
All right, I'm long.
Ooh. Back up. And now I am.
Eesh, not liking
You
it.
guys are
Yeah.
both long?
Yeah, we're long.
There we go. Break even because I don't like this action.
Yeah, I couldn't get mine to break even quick enough.
Yeah, it took mine to break. It took me out of break even. I still like the long. It might be a little early on it.
What are you guys trading on? You on the Nasdaq again, Dave?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm on the
I
Nas.
couldn't
Oh,
resist it.
all right. Well, you know how Dave's chopping and changing. Like, I'm only going to trade the YM now. Look at him.
Oh, I think you got it, Wes. It took me out and I didn't get back in.
I went break even. I didn't like it at all. Whipping around too much at this level.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I had it, but
I think you did too. My entry was 79.75, so it came out and took me out. That was a good entry. That 79.75 was a good entry. I think we go right back up.
79. I think I need to make my own. I need to figure out how Goose like made his own study indicator thing. I need to make something similar for Motive Wave because I need a way to plot my pay lines without having to do it manually every time because it takes forever.
yeah, I don't know. I don't know if he knows like coding or something like that, you know.
I think he did it all through Claude, which is like the coding version for ChatGPT.
Uh-huh.
Like you tell it to make you something and it spits out code. I think that's what he did. I don't know.
Okay.
That's pretty slick what he did for him. I mean,
Yeah, it's awesome.
Pretty,
really
it's awesome. Yeah.
When you
do
say
something
pay
similar, though.
lines, is this like pay
Especially if
lines
he's
from
not
Gold
a
Rush?
coder, so to speak.
Yes. No, I'm kidding. Payline is just 4 points on the Russell, really? Jesus.
Oh,
Payline
I
is
don't
just from the PAX process. If you're trading the 30-second opening range like PAX does, Payline is a certain amount away from opening range to either side. So, for example, NQ's Payline is 10 points above and 10 points below, and it just marks your first target, your first scale out. If you're taking a break away from opening range, that's where you should be scaling your first target. Just to
Okay.
secure some profit, move it break even, and then let the rest ride.
Oh, okay. I'm with you.
But I've
Yes, that was
noticed that they
great.
act as very good intraday support and resistance, especially like right off the open. If we are getting directional, like on a day like today, like I just pulled it up on the YM. On that rip from the YM, we ripped out of the open, got up to on the initial push to like 40. These numbers are insane. 44,448. And then retraced all the way back down the pay line, tapped it almost to the tick. There was like 4 points of drawdown there, and then ripped again. And then probably the same thing happened on the ES if I had to guess. I know ES was way off, never mind. But it's just like a good intraday support and resistance area that I'm interested in trading around. But I need a way to mark it on my chart without having to do it manually because it takes a long time.
I have TradingView up, and there's an indicator that does that for you. Because I obviously execute on TopStepX, but I look at TradingView for analysis, and I've got it up on another monitor, and it marks it out for me, Palm.
Marks out opening range or pay line?
Opening range.
Yeah, I have that as well. I have an opening range mark out from my open, high, low, close study, but I don't have a pay line mark out. Is what I'm after.
Oh, a pay line. Okay, sorry.
Anyways, how's that long going, boys?
Oh, I will break even.
And then it ran 50, 60 points.
Yeah, I just don't know if it wants a little bit lower first.
Yeah,
I could definitely see like 21,220.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm not getting anywhere on the YM as per usual.
Oh, 210.
That is pretty beautiful.
Yeah, the YM is a snooze fest some days.
It's a get to the chopper.
Most days. Most days.
I don't know what I like.
Yeah, I don't know what I like. I like the long, but it's like where's the entry?
I mean, you're kind of in the middle here. I don't like that.
Entry was like 3 hours ago.
Yeah, that's true. The overnight definitely can you imagine? I wonder if Chris is still holding that short on the ES.
No, he got out. He got out.
You got
Yeah, he would have been. He would have been having such a great time. Yeah.
That guy.
This is
He clearly knows something that the rest of us don't, because I swear every major swing he catches high and low.
yeah. He pops some
What a
context.
dog.
And like with minimal drawdown ever.
What a dog.
There's the rip.
Yep.
Gosh darn it.
I'm not pushing. I'm not taking.
You can't enter up here.
Away.
M2K.
Kind of strange. So my top step charts have different levels than my than my funded futures charts for some reason. And we keep smacking off of a resistance level that I have on my top step charts over here on the 2-minute. And on the 5-minute, we're holding support. Kind of.
Voice.
Wow.
It's bouncing in between where the two levels are. I wonder why I have them different. Probably because these were from like 3 weeks ago.
I tell you, everybody. One thing I did read last night or this morning was, deep seek and all that caused the market to go down. Which NQ, yeah, but they're still saying Japan carry trade is the major driving factor behind some of this, because when the OJ raised their rates last week.
I'm not gonna lie,
Okay.
we had to listen to the yen the yen carry trade
No,
nonsense
no
for
more.
a very long time, Dave.
Not gonna lie. From who? Come on.
And we're not gonna mention names, even though Nim's kind of already name dropped.
This is true.
Wait, is it from me?
No.
I know what you're talking about.
Because I know I was talking about it for a while too.
No.
You don't talk like that, Palm. You don't talk like that.
Okay.
No.
I know, I get it.
Guys, huge news. Absolutely huge news.
Uh-huh.
It's going to be above freezing here today.
What?
Bingo. Nice
Whoa.
job.
Insane, right?
Totally insane.
It's been below freezing for like a week and a half.
Oh, well, join the club. It's been like that for a month and a half.
Oh,
If we can this week get some of
That's
this snow
unfortunate.
melt, it's going to be in the 50s here on the weekend. I think I'll play some golf. If the snow can
Nice.
get up.
Yeah, it's supposed to be up around 60 here. Like
will the
Saturday or
course be a
Sunday.
little soggy though?
It might be.
Oh, it'll be
Yeah,
sloppy.
probably.
It'll be sloppy.
I mean, yeah.
Good day to check your divots.
That's right. Oh, what are you doing here?
I think just a trip back to VWAP 250.
This 15-minute candle closing red is not a surprise. I kind of.
Yeah,
I
I'll
like
be
it.
honest, boys. I don't think I'm gonna get a trade today.
Yeah, it's pretty.
I'm in one and I'm bored.
Well,
You're
you
on the
know what
one.
the answer is to that.
Come on over to the
Double
NAS.
down.
Come on over to the NAS, Nims.
Yeah.
come on over.
Oh my gosh!
I
I'm
like
looking at the line.
I like having money in my account. Okay, I don't want to go there.
You won't be bored though.
I don't even know if I've got the margin to trade the NAS today. I don't even know what it would be. I haven't checked. I'm assuming there's like 100% increase on the margin after.
Sure,
that happens.
Edge Clear sent me an email. So let's take a look.
You like Edge Clear on your personal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Their customer service is top tier.
Yeah.
Yep. They did. So Edge Clear is saying Dorman Trading will. Oh no, they actually went back to prior margins.
Oh. I guess it calmed down.
That was at 10 o'clock this morning.
Okay.
My time. So actually, they sent me this 10 minutes ago.
Okay, I took a quick scalp there. 299.50 to 306.75. Just wanted it, and the only reason it was 306.75 is because there's slippage. It was supposed to be a 10 point. I like a short.
Well, guys, I've been in this trade for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm currently
It's
up.
moved
I'm
super-
currently up 40 bucks. It's flicking.
Nice.
It's wild. It's
You
wild.
know, if you're not happy with that, you can always close the trade and then just Venmo me that 40 bucks and I'll hold on.
All right, we're starting to roll. We're starting to get going now.
I like
Uh-huh.
it. Paul.
Yeah, look at it go. I just need to get below this little bit,
This coming.
and then clean sailing all the way down to 44k 300.
Yeah, it counts. Let's see. Gotta come down further though.
Yeah, I mean, you can't do the here it comes things with the YM like you do with NASDAQ.
I just have to space it out over days.
I mean, yeah.
That was good.
It counts. I've got Top Step TV in the background. Oh, house account.
What are they saying? Are they short?
Not well. No, they were looking for longs.
Do they get them?
I don't know. I'm looking. Nobody seems to. Oh, one of the guys is long on the RTY. He's long.
Electric.
Oh, they've got the RTY up.
Wait, they're trading the Russell. They've heard me speaking of it.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody just pulled the NQ chart back up. Uh-oh. They're going to go long. House
I
account.
know. I'm almost thinking long is the play.
Just have to let you know their house
Well,
account's thinking about going long. On the
Yeah, I
Russell.
mean, why would you go long if their house account's thinking about going long?
That's true. That's true. I was thinking it before because we bounced VWAP, but I almost want to wait for 21,200 first. I think that's where we're gonna come tap.
Hey, I hate to say it, but 250 is a key level for me.
Oh my goodness, Dave. Why? Why?
I said I hate to say it, but
Oh God,
It's like-
I'm so bored.
that's like Ricky Bobby. I said with
Ni-
all due respect.
Nimkins is over there about to fall asleep.
God, my trade's fallen asleep, that's for sure. I mean, just look at the 5 minute.
Sure.
Look at how dire it's been
CL
since I've got in.
Every once in a while, I'll get bored and look at crude oil and just be like,
What's cattle like?
I could not tell you.
I don't,
Does anyone
Savvy trades cattle.
Is it good?
I don't know. Savvy, if you're still around.
I think.
Okay, their house account's long on the Russell at 2315. Just putting it out there.
I was just about to pull that one up. Let's see. CL's back into like the 70s range though, so it
70s,
kind of makes
yeah.
it hard to trade.
Yep, it's back in the 70s, which makes me agree with that.
All right, we're trying along here.
Oh man, I missed
Oh my god.
dude. You're a better trader than I am, obviously. So I could trust your.
YM is trying the Let's Not Move challenge.
Nice.
Yikes.
Yeah, it's just too herky jerky here.
Yeah, I know what you mean. That's what my trade's like. It's all over the place.
ENL's absolutely flying.
Yeah.
There we go. There we
It's
go.
going now.
There we go.
That's a great long.
The index is moving. It's going. Oh god.
No, don't come back and take me out. Go. Just keep running.
Wait,
It took
Mate,
me
you
out.
got VWAP. Yeah, VWAP. Yeah, you're going to get taken out. There's going to be all the VWAP.
Nemo, where are you logged from on the YM?
I'm short.
Oh, you're from where?
Their house account went 2 contracts on, 2 minis long. Ooh,
Oh, he's gone.
Russell.
Did you hear me?
No, I heard I'm short, and then it cut out.
Oh, 44k 500, just below that.
Got it. Okay, so we're at your break even now.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Got it. I see. I thought you were
15
long. My bad.
No,
50
no, I
minutes.
said I was going
Most
short.
means
It's
go
like
I'm like a long right now on YM on 50-minute structure. I would take a long.
no.
We're not trying to
Russell's
help you.
back
Remember,
testing
nice to be
overnight
long.
highs and prior days low right now. It's kind of interesting. Well, I completely forgot about the gap fills too. What do those look like?
If we get above 540, I'll reconsider it.
You want to know where the gap is on the NAS? Way
I know where
higher.
the gap on the NAS is.
Way
1,000
higher.
points up. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a no trade day for me.
I'm up $180 on the session.
Whoa.
Oh, slow down there, Bucko.
I know.
How many Ferraris you gonna buy with that one?
Yeah, no. I might,
Well,
I might splurge and get Panera and not McDonald's today.
Wow.
Dude, I had that chili.
What's Panera?
Panera.
Oh,
That
God.
thing.
It's
Oh,
just
What is
a,
it?
it's a sandwich shop.
Okay.
Do you want to know something extremely in character for Gavin Newsom, but just kind of shows you how everything works? There's a bill that was being passed to raise the minimum wage in California up to like $20 or something. And there's a specific provision in the bill that excluded, what was it? Like fast food or some sort of restaurants that
Sort of.
specifically include bakeries in them from having to abide by that $20 minimum wage.
What?
And you know what Panera classifies as? Has a bakery in it. And you
It's
know
a
who
bakery.
donates a lot of money to Gavin Newsom's campaign? The owner of a
Panera.
lot of Paneras in California.
Yeah.
Yep. I knew about that provision, that carve out. It's ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's how it works. That's how it works.
You guys
Oh,
did.
dude, this
You,
long-
you didn't like my long, Dave. You spooked
Oh
me
my
out of it.
Uh,
Shouldn't have brought Dave on. What's up, Jose? Welcome, brother.
come on, man. What the hell?
Dave, it's all your fault.
Usually,
All your fault.
well, the house account's making money.
Yeah, I think
So
we're
what's
going.
the
I
house
think
account?
we're going to 500. No, the
I'm
Wesley
telling
house
you, this
account.
is and oh, look at what the YM is doing.
Oh.
Nims.
Yeah, Neema's
Said I like
sweating
the
right now.
long.
Yeah, that Phoenix. I have to remind myself every time the man opens his mouth.
Oh my God, this abuse.
No, Dave has good levels. I just don't like when he calls them key levels.
I'm trying to feel like it's my childhood here. Come on, guys. Well, that's a great long.
Oh, nice, Jose. Yeah, you could see it building. You can see it building. The quick sweep below VWAP there, the reclaim, and not really able to get any more aggression downside was the tell. I'm thinking, Jose, I'm thinking today we try to get back up to that 550 area, but it's so volatile. Like you have 60 point, 70 point pullbacks in the midst of doing that upward climb.
That's true. Well, YM's just going to keep going up. There, NIMS.
It's not.
I'm here to say different. I think it can come down to 508, maybe, and then it's
Dave.
The sucker's going up too.
I will tune Dave out. I brought him on the stream and he spooks me out of my trade.
Well, the big question is why you listen to me in the first place. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, I'm not listening to him.
Yeah, don't listen to Dave.
I mean, come on. Even I'll say that.
25 points is a great trade, Jose. I mean, that's $500. That's a good day. On a day like today, you'd like take your $500 and be happy with it. It's you could get wrecked instantly. Dave.
I just went long and now.
Oh, no.
I just grabbed it.
Palm, help me out here. Just start talking so Dave can't get a word in.
Oh my god. I just grabbed 11 points off
I
that
don't really know
top
what to
scale.
talk about.
You don't know what to talk about.
I'm just still in like shameful disappointment after last night. I'm kind of processing that still.
Oh, yeah. So did you even come close on any props? Or was it just blown out of the water?
Oh yeah, dude, one of them was so close. I just needed Kelsey to get a touchdown and I would have made like $50.
Oh my gosh.
Or not Kelsey, sorry. I needed Josh Allen to get a touchdown.
Oh,
That was my insurance bet. I took an insurance bet on, so I had a bunch of parlays on the Chiefs, or on the Bills, sorry. So I was like, okay, I know the refs are going to try to sell this one, so let me take an insurance bet. And the insurance bet was Chiefs money line, both teams to go over 20.5 points, Josh Allen to score, and Pat Mahomes for, I think, 2 passing touchdowns, and all of those hit except for the Josh Allen touchdown.
And you'd have figured he'd get at least one. With where the
Right?
score was.
My boy let me down.
Well,
Tragic.
somebody watched some film and game plan for him running.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
like the Chiefs defense was on point. They were really good. I can read you some of my other ones too. I'm actually curious to see how many of, because I had a bunch of ones that were parlays for the Commanders-Eagles game first, and then if those had hit, they'd roll over to the Bills game. But I don't think they made it past that Eagles game, so I'm kind of curious to see what happened there too, because I don't entirely remember.
I'm gonna say I saved this account. I was down 1,200 and now I'm up 683.
Nice. Oh yeah, I needed Brian Robinson Jr. to score a touchdown for all of my Eagles parlays to roll over, and he did not do that either.
Oh my gosh.
Dave.
Oh my god. What are you kidding me?
Dave.
Ripping.
I mean, I feel bad for you, Wes, but I'm not taking the blame.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
did need Kelsey to score for one. of them.
Nimkins is awfully quiet. Is he getting ran over right now on the YM or something?
No, I managed to get out for $40.
Yeah, see,
Okay,
because
nice.
look where it's
But I
at.
had to add.
Dave. Dave. Dave.
Oh, what a trade. Dude,
Uh,
you come in on the bottom of that.
Oh my goodness, Dave.
Salary reduction for Dave. That's it.
I don't even, honestly, I
Yeah.
don't even remember what I said.
Salary increase for me and Palm.
He goes, "Oh, you're long now? Eesh. My-
Dude, you had 0 drawdown. What were you doing?
oh my gosh, dude. Come on.
You had
Better put that
0
one break
drawdown.
even, Wes. Oh.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, Wes, that was a banger.
Oh my gosh, Dave.
What was your entry? What was your entry?
How about 250?
Yeah, 50. Yeah.
Ah, it's only 110 points.
Yep. With, I mean, my 5 minutes shows no red candles since my entry. In fact, let me let's see here. Let's go to settings. Let's go to visual trading. Let's go to trades.
Oh no.
Let's go show trades.
Don't do this to yourself. Don't do it.
I was long from 249.25 and got out at 54.75.
What is wrong
feel-
with you?
I feel like Dave's getting out
Right in here.
I feel like Wes is getting out Dave's report cards in the kitchen to go and have a word.
Long from
Yeah.
here.
This
Out
is
here.
employee review. Live on stream.
Phoenix, I like you 2% less now. I'm sorry. I'm not taking the rap for this. We all have free will. First of
I don't
all,
know
why are you
what-
listening to me. Of
I
all
don't know
people?
what this
don't
line is. I
understand.
definitely didn't take this trade that they're showing that I took. I don't know what this big trade is that they're showing here. Quad Tower's lines are all janky.
Just get yourself Sierra.
No, I should not.
You're fine. You've been teaching yourself new things.
Yeah,
Teaching yourself CapCut
Yeah.
and everything. Yeah. Add Sierra
CapCut's,
to the list.
CapCut's pretty user friendly. Too bad we only have another like 60 days to use it here in the US. But
Wait, is TikTok? What's happened to TikTok? What's going on with TikTok in the US?
Well, they've got a 90-day reprieve, which is what 60 days left on it. But
Phoenix, change the P&L from dollars to points. I can't remember. Let's see here. Visual trading, positions, right here. Phoenix. Go to visual trading, positions, and then change the P&L type to ticks, points, whatever you want to see.
Wait, how do you change the negative P&L to a positive one?
Oh goodness, Dave, I had a
Oh my
banger.
God,
Dave, I had a
Dave.
banger.
why are you blaming me for this?
I mean, I can see why he's blaming you.
Yeah.
Did I not advise you well to get out of that short, Nims? Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh my God! I said it was. Oh, okay. Well, it just went up 100 points from when I told you you better get out of that short.
Get him.
What's up, Ollie? Welcome.
Oh, look at this thing! Even Christmas.
I talked to Mason this morning for the first time in a few weeks. He's done with exams. He's done with exams finally.
Okay.
He survived.
He said he thinks he aced all of them.
Nice.
Man, even better.
Yeah, Ollie, you just finished too? Yeah, I think it's strange how the UK does their, like, you go on holiday break and then come back to take your finals. So over here in the US, they do it right before Christmas,
Yeah.
right before they go on break. Dave,
Hey, man,
I
have you
swear,
ever seen Wagwan?
I swear, if this thing goes to 550, Dave.
Oh my God. How is this again? I'm protesting. Put in an official protest.
Someone's
You know.
golfing privileges are going to be taken away from them.
Get that. Guacamole. 100?
Yeah, I just think it's weird how they expect you to go on break, Ollie, and come back a month later and be like, yeah, now we're ready for finals.
YM's trying to hold above the overnight highs here. That's pretty bullish.
Yeah. 30-second up.
Yeah, I wish someone had told me about that.
Oh, Dave.
Yeah,
You
Dave.
know what? I'm gonna make a short, or all you do for 2 minutes is go, "Oh, Dave," in there because that's
Yeah, get like a clip cut of it.
just quick cut edits. Yeah. Like I said, I left myself pretty vulnerable with the last short, but I figured it would be funny for the viewers. Me semi raging.
That's pretty good, actually.
As a viewer, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, there was some completely random that commented on it on YouTube.
Oh, good.
Wait,
man.
what's this?
Engagement.
He was like, "Well, I'm glad to know. It's sad to say we were in the same boat, though." I was like, "Yeah, every trader's been there, I'm sure. It's not just you and I."
Hey, you can complain, Wes, but just remember, my original long entry was at 21,153, and I got out.
Dave, you still in it?
Yeah, Phoenix, he made me exit early as well.
You
Has-
guys consistently.
The complete hesitation. yeah. I know.
Oh, hold on. I get told the minute I say I don't like something or I like something, it goes the other way. You should always fake me. And
You're gonna go.
you always talk about fake me, and then you choose to listen.
Wes goes his long, like 20 seconds of sucking air through Dave's teeth.
Yes. The total sound of disgust and I don't know. Did you miss Dave's dad joke? I'm sure he's got a plethora of those lined up for you, Ollie, if you would like to hear them.
Let me see here.
Wait, do you have a little like... Yes, Martin, I know. I moved my stop because of the... yeah. This spot, I don't know. Key level.
Really going after him.
Oh my
The
god.
the key level is 5 points apart.
If you would have, apparently you didn't have conviction in your own trade. I'm just gonna say.
Yeah, he was just testing it.
Honestly, I have zero conviction in any of my trades recently, so...
Oh. Wow.
I used to be a lot better about it. Like last year, I was really confident for a majority of the year. But then I went through I started streaming and then went through that whole period of adjustment to live trading, and then I went through that horrible stretch in December where it felt like I could do nothing right. I could just do nothing right.
A lot of people could.
I think if I reverted back to, hey, I'm gonna play only the extremes of my levels and set the stop on the other side and just say, hey, I'll take the $400 loss or $500 loss. If it hits me, it hits me. Because when I do that, I'm probably between 70 and 85% win rate. And I make way better profits doing it that way.
Is there a way to pull up your stats on Quant Tower, like a trade report or something?
Yeah.
I mean, it might be worth taking a look at that then, because I know that's why Goose switched from the NQ to YM, is because he noticed his hit rate was going down a lot, and it's just because the NQ was getting so volatile in Wiki. So it might be worth looking at that, and then honestly looking at other products.
Yeah, I think I'm just playing with my stops too much. Jokes aside, Dave, this isn't all on you, obviously.
It's all on him.
I think I'm just because the NAS of the way it's been super volatile for the last, I don't know, 5 months. you know,
Yeah,
like
since
a long time, really.
Mix are ridiculous.
It almost like instinctually you want to, as soon as that trade goes positive, you want to move that stop to break even, just so you don't get a 40-point wick out of nowhere and get stopped out for your $500 or $600 loss, you know?
And then
Yeah.
and it just goes. And then it
So I
goes.
think psychologically I need to break myself of that. I don't know how to do it other than mechanically trading like I used to, you know. Entry on the further extreme of a level, stop just below the other extreme. That's the only other, and then not touching it until it goes a certain amount in my favor. Like what I used to do is in between my levels, I'd wait till the trade got 50% of the way, and then I'd move my stop to break even. And then as it approached the other one, I'd move my stop to 50% in between the levels. Do you see what I'm saying? Does that make sense?
Total
Yes.
sense. Yep.
And that's how I used to trade all the time.
So why did you move away
Like,
from it?
hey, yeah.
Back then, he didn't have someone going. In his ear as he was taking them.
Yeah, like I
It's a
said,
lot
I
easier
think
to be
it was
confident.
just a psychological thing, you know. I think starting streaming really set me back and messed with my psychology. And instead of going from a more mechanical approach, it was more emotionally based.
Gotcha.
So like, yeah, I need to somehow be able to flip that switch, and it seems so simple to do, but it's not.
I understand. The execution's a lot harder than the
Oh my
theory of
gosh.
it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I mean, we'll get there. It's not like I'm unprofitable, you know. I'm still profitable. I'm just not making what I should be
Damn, what's that like?
Yeah. Right.
making.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Porch. Yeah, it is impressive, isn't it? He's pretty he controls my mouse. No, we just mess with each other. Obviously, Dave has zero control over when I move my stop.
Are you sure?
I mean, he definitely had influence in that last one, for sure. That was influenced. I am not letting you lie. Dave was in my head there. He was in my head.
Oh, too funny.
Phoenix is genuinely mad at you, Dave.
Yeah, he always. Always. But he's my emotional support.
What your emotional support, Duck?
Right? Yeah, he is.
But I mean, look at that trade though that I just got spooked out of. You know what I'm saying? Like I should never allow Dave to spook me out of a trade. It's simple as that. It's not Dave's fault. That's my fault.
Yeah, it's difficult to know with Dave. He was trying to spook me out of my trade, and I didn't listen to him, and he was probably right.
Oh, dude, I called your trade to get out of it. That was the right.
All right, 50% strike rate.
I mean, when the call outs come every 15 to 20 seconds, it's kind of hard to know. And then they flip. The bias flips. It's like, wait, what? Which side do I believe now?
The big money trade you got wrong. You got the $500 trade on the YM right.
I mean, that was a pretty good. I mean, I gave up a banger trade there for sure.
Taking the dang.
Well, at least you're not dwelling on it, Wes.
Oh, I'll be thinking about that one the rest of the day. 100%.
Again, you could have been like me and got in at.
I'll be right back.
What did I?
All right, Pump.
Where did I get it? You could have been like me and got in at not long at 21,153, and only took it for 65 points.
Addition to give Dave a timeout every time he says key level.
Or it's hard to be wrong when you're always right. Yeah, I like that saying. I may not always be right, but I'm never wrong.
Nims, are you in a trade? I just heard a groan.
No, I'm out. Thankfully, I sized up a bit to go and just scalp. I'm up 385 on the day.
Oh, that's good. More than me.
Yeah. I'll take that. And I had a good exit as well. I keep trying to short this thing because Dave's not allowed to be right.
Oh, short the YM.
Never wrong, just early as your fave, Martin. Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of like Nims calling out 20,100 about 5 months ago, and when we finally hit it, the celebration in Discord and on stream is going to be outrageous. I already know.
Yeah, I thought we were on our way there today. I thought we were on our way.
So I'm so over that.
It was looking good for the overnight. You're like, oh.
Out of curiosity, what is the breaker level today? I know for a while there you weren't able to trade Top Step, so I know it was down more than 5% at one point, right?
So how much is the breaker?
It's 7% is the first breaker.
Oh yeah.
So what did we close at last?
Above 21,900.
Okay.
Boy, I like 21,552 to run up to. And then this is.
We are going by Friday's close, correct? I would assume.
Yeah, 20,413. I've got.
Would be the would be 7%. What's 5%?
I'm taking it off 21,950 as the lot close price. I don't know what the actual close was. Let me.
I think it's a little below that. I think it's just above 21,900.
All right, let's do 21,009. Uh, 20,814
is the 5%. Oh, it definitely got below there for a second.
Yeah, we weren't far from the circuit breaker as well. Actually, we were, I guess, we were like 400 points.
Yeah, that's wild.
That's
wild.
We weren't as close as the yen carriage. That one was like 50 points off, wasn't it?
Well, let's see here. Do we get back inside IB?
Maybe.
I want to say we go higher.
I'm kind of happy. Oh god, the short I had was looking really good now. Yeah.
Oh, whatever.
What do you mean?
Dave, I think I'm gonna try the long here.
I think you should. I'm telling you that right now because I'm. Well, I was short and it took me out break even, but yeah.
I don't like it with what YM's doing.
I'm just going to agree to everything you say.
I'd at least wait. I'd wait for 250 again.
In fact, I'd go in 2 minis.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. It's not getting back above IBH.
Oh my gosh, I had that short and it came up and wicked me out break even. Got it.
Yeah, I like go from lower.
Well, I wanted it like on the pullback. I wanted it to go tap 21,200. There's still a big block sitting there, but I don't. Kind of spooky for any longs.
Right. Yeah, my mate who's has the Nvidia position is not a happy bunny today.
Yeah.
The fact that his whole portfolio is just all of the AI stocks of Broadcom, AMD, like a load of like sketchy little ones as well. It's been a rough day.
Yeah, his portfolio's taking the hit.
It was down like 9.5% on the total.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Yeah, I look at mine. Mine's fine.
Oh, welcome, Mason. How was class?
Oh, he's back fine.
Yeah, Mason, I had a banger, and well.
Yeah, Wes caught like a 200-point trade.
I don't know.
Well, Dave decided to open his mouth immediately after my entry and spooked me out of it. It would have been a 3K trade. with no drawdown, really.
Literally no drawdown. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, Mason, we blame Dave for everything now.
Exactly.
We're still on this.
There's Paul.
Thanks, Paul. Oh shoot.
Yeah, I don't see much to do here, man.
Mason says fine by him.
Smarten up.
Smarten up, Dave.
Oh, there it
If I
goes.
missed anything interesting while I was gone, anyone take any fun trades?
I took a sized up little scalp on the short, and I should have held on to it.
All right, I scalped out another $100 there
Oh,
on that push.
Think-
I'm now at 290 on the session.
why did you get out?
Yeah, thing was, what was that? That was like almost a 100-point trade on the YM, but Dave spooked me out the short. He said it was going
Oh
up.
my gosh. I correctly called the direction.
Dave tells it better.
You know what? That's it. I'm calling my agent. We're renegotiating.
Yeah, I don't know. So like my plan moving forward, guys, is stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, right? And then to use Tuesdays and Thursdays to just like work on content for the most part.
Oh, that's cool.
Any of my live stream, you guys are more than welcome to hop on and banter with me if you want to, obviously.
Except for me, apparently.
Dave, even you're allowed. It's fine.
Ban hammer.
Mason, by the way, Dave was like, "Hey, I'll live stream on Tuesdays and Thursdays if you on your channel if you want to consistently." And I was thinking to myself, "Well, that would be great, but man, that would be difficult to do." Because you'd have to, like Dave, you would have to download OBS. I'd have to send you all my settings. It would be really difficult for you to be able to stream on my channel. Now you are more than welcome to do your own channel, and obviously you and I would collab.
Oh,
But if you thought about that, like I know Palm's thinking about, has been thinking about starting his own channel.
Well, I wanted to start
I
like
think
posting
Paul should.
recaps of, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. That's why I haven't done it, but like a weekly recap maybe.
Flip of a switch, it's that easy, Mason?
I think Palm should do it.
Yeah, first I need to remember how to trade though.
Brother, I'm telling you, like
I don't think
it is very difficult. I like I said before, I underestimated how difficult it was going to be to go from, just sitting in a room by yourself trading for the most part, every now and then talking on Discord with texting on Discord with people, to sitting in front of a camera, talking through your thought process, engaging with the chat, worrying about OBS working or not. It's a very difficult transition to make. So I would say practice. Yeah, practice runs are key. I kind of just winged it, and that was the wrong approach.
Gotcha. Good to know. Yeah, I don't want to live stream or anything, but I was thinking like a trade recap at the end of the week, or I don't know. I know there's a dude that does end of day recaps, not Matt, this guy named Nathaniel that I got the idea from, where his are like super simple. He just like sits in front of the camera, talks for 2 minutes, goes over the trade, and that's it. And I was like, I could do that, but I just don't know how long it'll take. But it's
those kind of journals take like you'll get better at them with time. The first ones you're gonna be like, oh, I hated how I said that, and start over again, kind of deal. But those kind of videos take half an hour.
Yeah,
not too much time.
So that was my idea, just something small like that.
But like the videos that like our level up Discord want to see, or like strategy type videos, those take forever. They take forever to film, because you have to have multiple examples, right, of what you're talking about. so that it's not just, hey, I'm going to talk through a strategy video about this one trade I took kind of deal. But
That was a good example of your strategy.
Oh, what was that? How so?
The 250 long.
Yeah. I mean, break and retest of VWAP there for sure.
That was great. That was a great strategy trade there.
I mean, really, we've just been doing that all the way up. If you look at like a 2-minute chart right now, if you look on the bottom right, we broke above 200 clean on the open, came back, retested it, held above. And honestly, we went straight to the next level that I had at 320.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I don't really care. I was just trying to get Dave back in the shit.
All right, fine then. Fine then.
What
Savage.
the hell?
Absolutely savage. Oh my god.
It was savage.
It was savage, dude.
Well, boys, I'm probably gonna hang on for another 5 minutes, then we're gonna kill the stream here. But I appreciate you coming on.
Right,
That's all good.
Kept me entertained. Dave kept me out of a massive profit day.
Massive profit. Yeah,
Right.
you don't want those massive profit days. They throw off your assets.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
Don't you love how he clicked a button 20 seconds after the opening bell and banked what $1,400 on his trade, and then when I get into a banger trade, he's like, I don't know if I like it or not.
By the way, I just went short 363 down to 342, and I'm out.
Nice.
Kev, are you here? Why are you live streaming to no one in the voice chat?
Oh, Kev's over in the voice chat.
He's just live streaming. There's no one there.
I'll hop over there after we get off here and chat with him for a little bit. I haven't talked to him.
It's not good.
Actually, he's
Anything
probably
else going
teaching.
on? Oh
Yeah, it
yeah,
could
it's
be.
probably true.
He teaches.
It is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kev teaches. He's a PE teacher, and then he like.
Teacher.
A PE teacher from his home office.
Yeah, that's what he does. Yeah, that's what he does. He gets them all on video chat. He's like, right, do some push-ups. That's it. And if he's in a bad trade, they do more push-ups. And he's more annoyed. Yeah. Do you not know this?
No, I did not know this.
Okay. Yeah. How do you think he teaches and he's on his charts? He's just got
He's a PE teacher from his home office. Is that why he's got the like Bowflex machine in the background?
Yeah, but he just tells them. It's like sit-ups, right? Push-ups, 20 push-ups. Give me 20 push-ups now. Yeah. If it's 100 points down, it'll be like 25 push-ups.
I didn't realize this was the thing.
That's so wild.
Yeah, so he does that. And then he monitors other classes as well. So he'll be have to like monitor a French class but not teaching. But his main thing is just shouting kids on their laptops to go and do push-ups.
You see, I've heard you say PE teacher before, like in the voice chat, but I didn't realize it was an actual thing. I thought it was just a joke. I thought it was like a different. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's funny.
You don't said that me coming up with like, do they get as many push-ups as the points you are in drawdown? Because some days they'll just be like, "Sir, why are we doing 250 push-ups today?"
Yeah, but I thought it was just like a joke, like a level up inside joke kind of deal. Like
no.
I didn't realize it was a real thing.
Yeah, it's a real thing. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Hey, Palm, actually, next marathon that you run, I want you to take a GoPro with you if you've got a GoPro.
I don't have a GoPro, but
this would be great content, brother. It would be great content.
I'm down. I just don't have a GoPro.
Wait, what's the content?
Next one in August, though.
Of Palmetto running in a marathon? I can guarantee Palmetto's. Do you wait? Like, how are your lungs in good shape?
Yeah,
he's young. Yeah,
like you're not keeling over like yakking on the side of the run, are you?
Dude, my cardio has been fine in every like event that I run. My cardio has been great. It's my hips and my knees that just like kill me.
Oh, wow.
swear to God, I'm like 95 years old. I'm serious though. Like in the marathon I ran, my cardio was so like I finished the first half of it feeling great, and then around like mile 21, 22, my knee started legit swelling up, and I was like, this is not good.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it would do that though.
I think it was
Like,
just
like
overuse.
like without an
Like
injury.
I wasn't conditioned enough to run that distance.
Yeah, marathon's a long way.
Yeah.
26.2 miles is not
Yeah,
does not sound fun to me.
It's fun if you're in good shape.
Like I get this the runner's high, the second wind and all that, you know, and the sense of
I never
accomplishment.
got that.
You don't get the runner's high? When I was
No, I
running
don't get that.
religiously, I definitely got it. It was like after mile 2, everything just felt
Yeah.
like easy.
What?
Yeah, it feels like absolute shit until you get to like that
Yeah,
point
you
where
get
it
past
becomes
that
like,
lactic acid buildup. Yeah.
or not the lactic acid, just the initial bit, and then once you get into a rhythm, then it's like, oh, this is decent, and then it's like, oh god, no. It's terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the first couple miles and then the last couple are generally pretty brutal. But
What distance we talking here?
I would say
26
anything
miles.
over. Yeah, Palm's talking a marathon. He's talking the full 26.2.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
But I would say anything, you know, over 7 miles.
Okay, yeah. What, like 10k? Plus?
Yeah, like a 10K.
That's okay.
Oh, I mean, I don't really run that far. I did 9k. I did 9k the other day. That's quite
That's
a
good.
far run for me,
Oh,
and my feet were torn to bits.
You gotta get better running shoes, brother.
Running more
Yes,
than me right now,
yeah.
that's for
All right,
sure.
you sound just like my girlfriend. I had the same lecture when I got home. There's just skin hanging off my feet.
No, I can't
Yeah,
stress
you should fix that.
the importance. It is a quality investment. I mean, I realize they're expensive. You're going to spend a minimum, you know, $180 on a good pair of running shoes, but it's worth it. Speaking of which, Palm, what kind of shoes you got?
They're called Diodoras. I just went to my local running store and was like, hey, I'm running a marathon in however many months, and I need a shoe that's going to hold up for training as well as the run, and I need it to support my foot. And
Right.
they're like, take a look at these.
Well, I know
My
Brooks makes good running shoes. I know Hoka makes good running shoes. Nike does, but they're more along the lines like sprint shoes. You know, they make some marathon,
Yeah,
some distance
most
shoes.
of the
but-
like major retailers make good shoes. It's more of a question of what does your foot need specifically. Like, how does your
Yeah.
foot need to be supported?
yeah.
So like mine, I land on my heels a lot, which is not good. I'm trying to fix it. I heel strike a lot. So that's the ones I have are specifically like more, and I got insoles for it too, but they're specifically more cushioned on my heel to reduce that impact. The place I go to, it's called Fleet Feet. It's like a running chain across the states.
Mhm.
They have these scanner things in the stores where like it's like a gait analysis or a run analysis where you walk across it, you run across it, and then you just stand on it, and they like model your foot and see how it applies pressure to the plate, so that way they can give you a better recommendation. So I'd suggest doing one of those. That way you'll actually see like where the pressure on your foot
It
is.
sounds a bit excessive.
Nims wants nothing to do with it.
It's so excessive.
No, it honestly, no, it is. It's what you need if you don't want to hurt.
Yeah.
I mean, it sounds excessive, really excessive to go to my $30 a month gym to run on the treadmill.
I mean, no, actually, you need a good pair of running shoes. If you're planning on doing that kind of cardio where you're running even on a treadmill, you need a good pair of running shoes.
That's why
I
I, have
mean,
a rowing machine.
I
That's
run
why I have a
like,
rowing machine.
what do I run? Like probably around like 40k a week.
Oh yeah, you should definitely get better shoes and insoles then.
See, I always think that like my body will give out well before the shoes will.
Well, it's not like the shoes will prevent your body from giving out. Like it'll make it quite literally make it easier to run if you have good energy return.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm hearing a female voice all of a sudden.
Yeah,
Dave's
it's my
wife.
I gotta see
Well, all right, boys. Thanks for coming on. I'm gonna end the stream there today. I'm ending the stream up $290, chat. If you're curious, just a few scalps, and of course we allowed Dave to get in our heads and missed out on a big trade. But that's neither here nor there.
Same for me.
I just wanted that.
That is
That's-
there for me.
Awfully excited.
That's neither here or there. Yeah, guys, I'll be back on the live stream on Wednesday, and
You'll have to do it, dear. I don't.
yeah, I mean, you guys are more than welcome to join me if you want to join me. I'm fine with it.
All right. Sweet.
So,
Uh,
all right, chat. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you in the Discord. Peace.
See ya.